How to use tag dating app. Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to use tag dating app. In order to use tag dating app, you have to first thing install the application. So go to your Play Store and on the search box type in tag dating app. When you actually locate it, click on the install button. While it is installing, just wait patiently. So once it is completely installed, click the open button. Now you need to register yourself. So you just have to follow the steps. So here it's going to ask you whether you want to log in with your Google or other option, or that you already have an existing account. If you already have an existing account, click the login button. You could go with either one of these procedures. I'm going to go with the other option, that is with my email. So here I have to go ahead and enter in my email address and create a password. Now click on create account at the bottom of the page. Once you're done, as you can see that I've completed 50% of my part. Now I need to go ahead and upload my profile and all that, and you could also go ahead and click on update filters and all of these. So this way you could use tag dating app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.